Siti. What? I need to go to toilet lah.
No, let's go.
I need faster. I need urgent. I go first, huh?
Okay, I'll wait you outside. So guys, do you know how the journey of the plane? Let's travel.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nazira binti Cekda. My metric number 1799972. Okay, I will present about the structure of the nephron and also the urination flow process. Okay, let's see the mind map that we have made first. Okay, this is the mind map that we have created for topic 13 and topic 14. But I will focus on the urination flow first, which is this is the urination flow process. Well, you can see here the process start from the kidney, where the absorption of the water occur, then the filtration, and also lastly the elimination of the water in form of urine. After the kidney, the water will go through the ureter, where the water will undergo the process of peristalsis, and then go to the gallbladder, where it is in form of water will be stored in the gallbladder as a storage. Bladder can store water up to 500 ml, and the muscle around it will contract to push out the water to the urethra. Okay, this is the structure of the nephron. Nephron is the basic structural and the functional unit of the kidney. The kidney has a micro unit of the nephron. Okay, firstly, for the structure of nephron, this is the afferent arteriole, the red one, and beside one is the efferent arteriole. This is the glomerulus and Bowman capsule around the glomerulus. Then goes down to the proximal convoluted tubule and go down to the descending loop of Henle and the ascending loop of Henle. The red one along the ascending and descending loop of Henle is the vaca recta. Then flows to the distal convoluted tubule, and lastly this is the connecting duct. There are three basic functions of the nephron, which will be explained by my group member, which is SUMAIYAH.
Hi, so I'm the second presenter. My name is SUMAIYAH binti ROHADI. I will explain the function of nephron and also the collecting duct. So basically here there are three functions of the nephron and also collecting duct, which are the glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and also tubular resecretion. Okay, this is all the three functions here are happen at the nephron. While for the drain urine to the renal, pelvis, and ureter, okay, happen at the collecting duct. Okay, so we zoom here. Okay, to be more specific, the first function, which is the glomerular filtration, will occur at the here. Okay, this is the glomerular. Okay, so for the first function, which is the glomerular filtration, okay, will take place here. Okay, where it will filtrate, okay, from the our artery to the glomerular. Okay, here it will filtrate the useful allow the dissolved material, for example the water and also small molecule, to pass from the blood vessel, which is the artery, into the our nephron, which is the glomerular. Okay, next, the second function is tubular reabsorption. Okay, here the for example the molecule, for example our glucose, amino acid, okay, sodium and also calcium, will be reabsorbed, okay, by our blood, okay, to keep into our blood and be used by the body. Okay, and then for the third function, which is the tubular secretion, where the for the tubular secretion, it will remove the additional waste from the blood and be reabsorbed into the our our nephron here. Okay, and so the waste will be secrete into the urine. So that's all for the function. Okay, I will pass for the next section, which is for my next partner, which is Fatin Amira, to explain more about how the urine production is regulated by the pressure and also volume. Okay.
Okay, hi, I'm NORFATIN AMIRA binti HASSAN 178492. Okay, I want to explain about pee making production and the influence by blood regulation of blood volume and pressure. Basically, this is how our kidney filter our blood. Okay, the first step for pee making is filtration of the blood in glomerular. Okay, first, the glomerular filtration involve the blood is filtered in glomerulus. Then it will induce high pressure in the glomerular, cause the glomerular to stretch. The pressure in the blood will push more blood from capillaries into the glomerulus. Then it will induce the smooth muscle cell in the wall of the glomerulus to stretch by constricting. Then automatically it will reduce blood flow into the glomerulus. Then this phenomenon known as autoregulation, which is helpful in control of filtration rate. Next, I will pass into my partner, SITI HALIMATUN, to explain about the hormone involved in regulation of urine. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, hi, my name is SITI HALIMATUN SAADIAH, and I will explain to you about the hormone that involves in regulation of urine. The hormone involved in production of urine is the ADH hormone. Okay, the homeostasis mechanism is happen at the descending limb, which reabsorption of water happens. It is easily happen because at the descending limb it has many of aquaporins. Aquaporins have two parts, which is the apicals and basal. However, in the collecting duct, it has only one part, which is the basal only. Okay, move at the descending leaf, the aquaporins will trigger the hormone, which is ADH. The ADH triggers the aquaporins to move together to form a storage, and then the aquaporins of storage will allow the water to leave as urine. But do you consume Nescafe?
Yes, always.
Do you know that this Nescafe will disrupt our urinary system?
But how?
Caffeine or alcohol, and the caffeine which is a type of drugs. It will inhibit the production of ADH. Thus, no aquaporin is moving as a storage. So when there is no storage, there is no reabsorption of water involved. Therefore, it will produce tons of peeing as urine.
Next, I will pass to my member partners, which is MUZDAALIFAH. She will explain to you about the role of nervous system in control of urination.
Alright.
Assalamualaikum and very good Assalamualaikum and very good day. So I'm MUZDAALIFAH binti SHAAN Ali, going to tell you about the function of our nervous system in controlling the urination. Okay, first of all, firstly, when our gallbladder is full with 100 ml of fluid that is not needed by our body, so it will activate the stress receptor. So the stress receptor will send a nerve impulse through our spinal cord, then to the brain. Okay, so what the brain will do is it will excite the parasympathetic neuron and inhibit the sympathetic neuron. So then both of the system will cause the detrusor to contract. The detrusor we can find at the gallbladder, and then since the detrusor contract, it will cause the internal unilateral stricture to open and the external ureteral picture to relax. So when internal is open and external is relaxed, so the pee is flow out through our urethra. That is how the nervous system control our urination. So besides that, in our brain there are pons. The pons are divided into two, which both of them control our urination. First is pontine storage, another one is pontine microturation center. So pontine storage is function to inhibit our urination, okay, while the pontine microturation center will give the green light for our body to pee out the fluid that are not needed by our body. So that is how our nervous system function in controlling our urination. Thank you.
SUMAIYAH power.